Wait, stop scrolling. Are you struggling to turn your love for fashion into a career? Well, I've got something that will change your life. Imagine mastering the art of fashion design and turning your own ideas into reality and building your own brand with confidence. The online courses at Fashion Premier Academy are not your typical fashion lessons. You see, we explore what makes you a unique designer, what ignites your inspiration and motivation, what fuels your creative fire. That is the real power of you as a designer. These classes are for aspiring designers just like you. Take this opportunity to transform your life. The latest course, called How to Be a Fashion Designer, is a master course. So go ahead and start the journey of a lifetime. I will see you in class. Ciao.